Hey everybody, today I've got a 2013 Nissan Rogue on how to reset the maintenance light and the tire rotation light. I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to turn the key to the run position so all the dash lights up, and we're going to be using this button on the right hand side. See how it says service due? So you just go ahead and start pushing the button and keep pushing the button until it comes up to settings. Then you rotate it clockwise one click, and then let me move over here, and then you can rotate it down to maintenance. Then you press the button, and then you go rotate it down to service. You press the button, and then you rotate it down to reset and click reset, and now it has reset. It comes back to the back. You push the button, now we're back. If you want to do the tires, you rotate it down to tires, press the button. You want to reset it, go to reset and push reset. There you go, everybody. That's how you take and reset the maintenance light on a 2013 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the videos.